Good morning to all of you. First of all, I'm thankful to media for their wholehearted cooperation during the year 2020. 2020, this year was specially designed for Rachakonda Police for the service purpose. That is my own conviction. From the beginning, before lockdown also, during lockdown and after lockdown, the services for different purpose we are delivering and raising to the expectation of society. This commissionerate, you are aware that this commissionerate got established in 2016 on 23rd of June, and on 1st of July 2016, actual functioning of this commissionerate started, first in Cyberabad and subsequently in 2019 February, we shifted to our own building at Vaipuri Colony of Neradmat. This commissionerate is one of the biggest commissionerate in area, having 5,091 square kilometer area with around 48 lakh population, and there are many vulnerable institutions which require security. They are lying in the jurisdiction of this commissionerate. The famous Ramoji Film City, Yadgiri Gutta Temple, International Cricket Stadium, these are the three benchmark. Then we have Pahadi Sharif Dargah, Maula Ali Dargah, then Pochampalli, famous for Ikat saris, and many other places in this commissionerate. Many agitation throughout the year will be going on, many VIPs will be visiting, and law and order police, they will be always leading from the front while extending their services. Coming to this year, absolutely, except for cyber crime, other crimes as such, the reporting was very, very less, and but more enforcement cases in that particular period. And that's the reason our enforcement percentage for year 2020 has been increased by 42% because of the enforcement against not wearing mask, enforcement against the breaking of lockdown and all other violations during the lockdown. Lot of enforcement activities carried out by our forces, and that's the reason there is a spurt or increase by 42% in the enforcement related cases. Coming to the property offences, this year we have seen that sudden decline. Grave crime, last year it was 238, that number reduced to 144, 39% decline in grave crime, property crime that is. Then overall property crime also, we have declined by 25%. Chain snatching has been declined by 43%. Murders declined by 31%. Dacoity or robbery cases declined by 60%. Automobile theft, there is an increase in automobile theft by 22%, and the reason may be many cases are detected by our people and after detection of the cases, then that offender has revealed about commission of theft. In some cases, the cases were not reported to the police station. Rape, there is increase in 13%. Rape again, there are two categories. One is a technical rape, where elderly women lodging a complaint that in the name of marriage, certain persons have cheated her. So we call that technical rape cases. In fact, that cases are more in number. Then dowry death, there is an increase. 23 dowry death cases reported this year compared to 9 of last year. Kidnapping has been reduced by 8%. Outrage of modesty of women cases, again there is an increase. Enforcement work, then the confidence that has been generated by our C team, by our Margdarshak volunteers, our C for Her volunteers. That's the reason now women are approaching the police station without any fear. Bodily offences, there is a decrease by 14%. Overall, the crime has been declined by 12%. This is a year where we have focus on crime harm index. Crime harm index means those crimes in the society because of which the fear is created in the society. We call these cases as sensational cases. So such sensational cases we have concentrated right from FIR till filing the charge sheet. And after filing the charge sheet, we ensured accused in these sensational cases, they are detained under Preventive Detention Act, and the court permission is taken for fast track trial. And this fast track trial has ensured the speedy conviction. That's the reason the conviction rate of Rachakonda has increased from 35% of 2019 to 51% in 2020. So congratulations to all our law and order officers, our crime officer, our court duty officer, investigating officer, our CCRB, our PD cell, cybercrime, our SOT, our IT cell, all these specialized wings, they have worked day and night. And my sincere thanks to prosecution wing, our director of prosecution, Vaijanti madam, deputy director, Ramu Garu, then all other prosecution officers. Really, in coordination, they have worked very hard for ensuring 51% conviction this year. If we see the breakup of some convictions, the Hajipur, the famous case of rape and murder, series rape and murder, 3 cases were there. In these cases, 2 cases, the death penalty was awarded to the accused, and in one case, life imprisonment was given to the accused. Similarly, there are 8 other cases where life imprisonment punishment has been awarded to the accused. Recently, the gang rape case of Maheshwaram, where the Odisha brick-in workers, they committed gang rape on one of the Odisha lady worker. 4 of them got 20 years conviction each. Similarly, the notorious dacoity case offender in Kisra, there was a dacoity with firearms on the jewelry shop. So in that case, the 2 notorious offender, Butul alias Brajbhushan and Shashibhushan, they got 8 and 7 years conviction in those cases. Similarly, the Chaddi gang, made famous by our media friends, especially in the visual media, by constantly showing the videos of Chaddi gang is coming, Chaddi gang is doing these offenses. Our SOT team and crime team, they made sincere efforts, caught this gang from Dahod district of Gujarat. They were detained under preventive detention, and while they were under preventive detention, they got conviction for full 3 years when they are inside the jail. Only 3 cases got convicted now of Mirpet. There are many other cases of not only our state, but of other state also against these Chaddi gang people. And they will also be ending in conviction. In Lok Adalat, 5,548 cases got compounded. 2 times we conducted reward mela. The first reward mela, our Director General of Police, Sri Dr. M. Mahendra Reddy sir, he himself was the chief guest. Second reward mela conducted recently, Dr. Jitender, our additional DG, Law and Order, he was the chief guest, and both of them, they have appreciated the work done by Rachakonda Police with the help of prosecution, as well as our legal advisor, Chandrasekhar Garu and Krishna Mohan Garu. Both of them continuously, their support is there in ensuring good convictions in Rachakonda. We'll just have one small video about this conviction reward mela. Sridhar.
సిపి రాచకొండ గారు రివార్డ్ మేళా ఏర్పాటు చేశారు. దాంట్లో 62 కేసెస్లో లాస్ట్ మార్చ్ తర్వాత కన్విక్షన్ వచ్చింది. తర్వాత 89 పర్సన్స్ అక్యూజ్డ్ పర్సన్స్ కన్విక్ట్ అయ్యారు. దాంట్లో లైఫ్ సెంటెన్సెస్ కూడా 7 ఉన్నాయి. దానికోసం ఇది రివార్డ్ మేళా ఏర్పాటు జరిగింది. సిపి గారు తర్వాత సిపి గారి టీం చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేశారు. కోర్ట్ ఆఫీసర్స్ కూడా చాలా మంచి పని చేశారు. తర్వాత ప్రాసిక్యూషన్ ఆఫీసర్ కూడా చాలా మంచిగా చేశారు. ఈ ప్రోగ్రాంలో మన సిపి గారు, ఆల్ సీనియర్ ఆఫీసర్స్ ఆఫ్ రాచకొండ, డైరెక్టర్ ప్రాసిక్యూషన్ and all other officers participated. We all were very happy that conviction rate is improving and people are having better conviction rates, and all the sensational cases chala quick ga trial jarugutundi and timely prosecution ayin tarvata conviction kuda vastunayi. This will definitely improve faith of people in the system, and we wish that in coming days also అందరూ చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేస్తారు. తర్వాత ఇంకా పెండింగ్ కేసెస్లో కూడా త్వరగా కన్విక్షన్స్ వస్తాయి, అండ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కేసెస్లో లైఫ్ సెంటెన్స్ కూడా వస్తాయి. మేము ఈరోజు డిస్కషన్లో ఇంపార్టెంట్ కేసెస్లో ఎక్కువ టెన్షన్ ఇచ్చి తొందరగా ట్రయల్ కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి అండ్ కన్విక్షన్స్ రావాలి, అది మన సలహా కూడా ఇవ్వటం జరిగింది. అండ్ ఇట్ వాజ్ ఎ వెరీ గుడ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. సిపి గారు వారి టీం చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసి ఇది ఏర్పాటు చేశారు.
At the year end, the number is 1,118. EPT cases, I was talking that enforcement has been increased by 42%. So EPT cases, 1,14,293, charge sheeted 97,147, disposal in the court 48,162, and still pending for disposal because regular courts are not getting the summary trial basically in the PT cases is not getting conducted. So pendency is 48,990. Preventive detention, this year we have detained 82 offenders under Preventive Detention Act. In that, narcotic drugs cases, 15 offenders, human trafficking, 15 offenders, gundas or house burglaries, there are 11 offenders. Then we have dacoity cases where 13 offenders, they are detained under PD. Then even the spurious seeds, we have detained 7 people for selling the spurious seeds. This year, we concentrate on the drugs, especially the enforcement against selling of ganja, right from Visakhapatnam agency area of Andhra Orissa border to the destination. It may be Mumbai, maybe Solapur of Maharashtra, maybe Haryana, maybe Rajasthan. Our special operation team especially, they have done excellent job, and this year in 25 cases of transportation of ganja, large quantity of 2,190 kilogram ganja, then 433 yaba tablets, 31 vehicles, and 59 accused, they are arrested. Similarly, we have also seized hashish oil. This hashish oil is a new phenomena. From the cannabis, this hashish oil is prepared. The cost is 1.5 lakh to 2 lakhs rupees for 1 liter. From Visakhapatnam agency area, this hashish oil is now getting trafficked to Hyderabad and other destinations. This hashish oil also caught by our teams. So congratulations to special operation team, especially for the enforcement against the drugs. Our SOT additional DCP Surendra Reddy, Inspector Ravi Kumar, then Inspector Naveen, Inspector Venkateshwarlu, and the SIs of SOT, they are really doing hard work in seizure of this ganja and other drugs. Coming to the human trafficking cases, 41 cases are booked, 89 organizers are arrested, 56 victims, they are rescued from Telangana, AP, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Haryana, as well as Bangladesh. I want to specially mention the good work by our anti-human trafficking unit. This anti-human trafficking unit has been recently formed on 30th of July 2020. That was International Day Against Human Trafficking, and on this day, this trafficking unit inaugurated by our additional DG Law and Order, Dr. Jitendra. This unit has done exemplary job of rescuing 24 victims of sex trafficking and 8 child labor. Similarly, 11 cases they have worked out. 4 victims of Bangladesh also, this our anti-human trafficking unit has rescued. So congratulations to anti-human trafficking unit led by our Inspector Chandrasekhar, who is working under our SOT additional DCP Surendra Reddy Garu. All the brothels as well as gaming houses, hookah parlors, PDS rice storage houses, the places which are used for illegal purpose, we are doing seizure, taking the permission from executive magistrate under 133 CRPC. I want to tell you, ours is the only commissariat where this seizure is going on right from 2016. And so far, around 300 brothels, gaming houses, and other places we have seized using this magisterial power. Because of this seizure, repeated offences are getting prevented. Lot of fear is created among the mind of antisocial. Gaming Act cases, this year, 46 cases are booked under the Gaming Act. And in these 46 cases, 197 accused are arrested. Similarly, 27 gaming houses, they are seized under 133 CRPC. Coming to the crime detection work by our fingerprint unit, I must appreciate the efforts made by our fingerprint, the previous team before joining of our DSP Nandakumar, SI Anil, and now DSP Nandakumar. They have done very good work. In 48 cases, offenders, they have given the right information within hours of the crime that so and so offender has done this offense, and we could arrest the offender in limited hours. I want to tell you one recent case. In Nacharam police station, there were daytime grave house burglary. We got CCTV footage. Next day, we got the fingerprint report of fingerprint